Welcome to Walkers Doughnuts. We're at Bendigo Marketplace, one of our favourite stores. I'm going to take you through a tour of the store. Come on with us. Have a look over here at our famous Walkers Doughnuts showcase with our 40 flavours of donuts. Chock-a-block full. We like to keep our donuts fresh. We like to keep our cabinets full. This is an exceptional store because we make the donuts out the back here. Most of the stores we supply from our central factory, but here we make them, and you'll see the girls making them in the back. Come follow me, I'll show you what we do in the back. Even though we're called Walkers Doughnuts, we have a variety of products that we do. We start with our famous award-winning coffee, obviously the donuts, we do hot jam donuts, we do USA sodas, we do hot dogs. We do a full range of product at all the stores. This is one of our bigger stores. Most of our stores are kiosk size. This is a production store. We make the donuts here fresh every single day and replenish as we need them. We sell out all the time. I want to bring to your attention our beautiful Indie Electra coffee machine. Now these things are state of the art. Our coffee supplier who supplies our machines brings them in specially for us. In his 30 years of experience in the coffee game, he reckons these are the best machines for extracting coffee, the best machines for consistency and flavour. You will not beat these machines. You can have all these different brands out there, but the Indie Electra has just been magnificent for us. We actually won an award for our coffee at the Golden Bean Awards a few years ago, so come and try the coffee as well. Amazing. In any business, obviously the customers are important, but how the customers pay is important. We use the Red Cat system. We've found for quick service that we need, Red Cat, the most reliable, stable system on the market. When we first started, we tried a few different POS systems, but Red Cat has been amazing. Their support has been amazing. Hello, Lawrence and Dave. Love to talk to you again soon, guys, but Red Cat has been wonderful for us, so thank you. As I mentioned earlier, Bendigo Marketplace is a slightly different beast. It's a production store. We need in the regional centres, because we want the donuts to be ultra fresh and delivered every morning, we want them made in the regional centres. We supply one of our other stores from here as well. The donuts are produced here every night. We have the bakers, they come in, they produce the donut with all the equipment, then they are placed in these racks here, the girls decorate, and they're brought out to be sold. As we need donuts during the day, if we sell out, we make some more, which is the beautiful thing of the manufacturing model. But Bendigo is slightly different. We have larger manufacturing sites as well, like in Traralgon, and we have the huge manufacturing site in Melbourne. But so you won't be far from a fresh donut when you're around Walkers Doughnuts. We make sure of that. As I mentioned earlier, this is a slightly larger store than most. It's a factory production store. And when we originally started, we had a huge amount of seating, going right down to the end. But as we got busier and busier, we added on extra production areas just to keep up with the demand, but we've still maintained a nice little cozy little seating area for about 12 people. Every one of our kiosks will have a seating area, either allocated directly for the kiosk itself or as part of the food court, because we think it's part of the Walkers experience. We don't want to be just grab and go. We want people to come in, linger, dwell, have a coffee, stay there all day if you want. We really genuinely don't mind. Last but not least, I wanted to show you the outdoor area here at Bendigo Marketplace. It is specific to Bendigo, and during the summer you can't get a seat. We're chock-a-block here. Come down and visit Adam and the team here, but drop into any Walkers right across Australia. We're the fastest growing donut brand in Australia, and we'd love to see you at any one of our stores. Thank you very much.